you, then I'll be right there. Let me come check you, my baby. No time, no. If you send me the look,
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is brought to you by KLAIYIHAIR hair. So what I have on is the 820 20-inch, and it's a 4x4 closure, 150 density. So if you guys would love to see how I style this hair and look like this, flawless, yes. What lace, guys? Do you see the lace? It is melted to my scalp and there is no baby hair. So if you guys would like to see this look, make sure to stay tuned and continue watching this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get into this video, guys. So hey guys, and welcome back. So today we have another wig by KLAIYIHAIR. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. So as you guys see, we got a little packaging, and in the packaging today, we also will go in and see. So we got some clips, and we also get some lashes as well, some lashes. Get another 4 headband, and we also got a scarf. So you have another thing where you have the scarf. Hair. So this is the hair. And as you can see, it is a it's a body weave hair, a 20-inch body weave hair, and it's a 4x4 closure. So let's open it and go inside. We open and take out, and as you guys can see, the nice mesh. And this is the hair. So as you guys can see, so this is the hair here. As you can see, a nice bounce to it. You can comb through it and it looks really soft. Yeah. And this is also a T. This is a T closure, as you can see. So the closure here, a T, and it's a 4x4 closure. You sand with the pins, the hooks. So there's the 3 and the also adjustable strap. And this is 150 density, and it's a 4x4 T-part closure wig. So we are going to get into this video as well. So as you see, the hair is fluffed out. We're going to go in with the got2b freeze spray. We're also going to go in with the got2b glue. We're going in with the scissors. You also need an edge brush. You also would need an eyebrow shaver. And we're also going with a cotton, and you're rubbing alcohol. We are also going to use as well your makeup and brush, and you are going to use your edge control. We're going to use the curling iron. And so as you see here, I'm using my makeup, and I'm using my brush to go in to kind of get the lace tinted to more of my tone to look more realistic. Then I'm just going to pop the wig on my head and adjust it the way I need to, just trying to get it more fixed the way I want it to. And I'm going to go in with my rubbing alcohol and rub the perimeter of my head. Then I'm going to go in with my freeze sprays, and I will end up spraying the part that I'm going to use, and then I will actually end up going in with my got2b glue as well, and I'm just going to use it on the perimeter of where I will be using the 4x4 lace closure, as you can see. So I'm trying to get it sorted here just to make sure that it's in the center, because it is a T-part wig. You could also even put the T-part wig to the side and make it a side part instead of a center part. So that is something else that is versatile that you can also do if you choose to. Right here, I am just brushing the hair back because I don't want the glue catching on the hair. So I just want to brush it back and make sure I have a clear vision of what I am doing. So once I get my part, my center part good, As you can see here, I'm just trying to measure to see where my hairline ends and where the lace start, because you really don't want the glue too much on your natural hair. Um, so I'm going to just catch my hair back just to make it a little bit more easier for me, as you can see here. And then I'm just going to slide the wig down a little bit more and just figure out where my, what you call it, your widow's peak or whatever you have at the front. And then I'm going to go in with my other products. So I'm just going to go in with the Got To Be glue. So I'm just lining the front with the Got To Be gel just to lay down the 4x4 lace closure. As you can see, I'm just using about just a little bit of gel. I'm not using too much on the front. I just want the closure to lay as thick as possible. As you see here, I'm pulling it down, and I'm just going to go in and use my rat tail comb to smoothen the front out so the hair doesn't get into the gel. And as you see, I'm smoothing it out, just trying to lay it down flat. Next, I am going to go in shortly after this. I'm going to use my blow dryer here and just blow dry it just to kind of speed up the process to get things done faster, as you see here. So I'm just blow drying it because time is of the essence and your girl got things to do. So I'm just blow drying the front to make sure that that glue lays nice and flat with the lace. And yeah, so I'm just using my rat tail comb, as you can see, to kind of tack it down to make sure it just sticks properly, as you will see here. And I just continue to comb it just so it gets nice and flat and I don't get that white residue that you will see sometimes when you lay your lace. So now I'm just gonna comb it, gonna fix it up a little bit so I get it nice and smooth, and then I will end up detailing it. I will also cut off the lace and all that stuff. But as you can see here, still doing a little bit of fixing because the glue was still a little bit wet, as you can see. So I just gotta pump it a little bit longer to get it the way I want. Now I'm gonna go in with my headband, my elastic band. So this is how you want to melt your lace into your scalp to make it as realistic as possible. So, and then here I'm using my wax stick here. So this is great for flyaways, guys. If you don't want you have those little flyaways, use it, and then you use either a flat iron, or you can use a hot comb, or in my case, I love using a curling wand. I find the curling wand works magic with actually laying the flyaways better than actually the hot comb. As you can see here, I've got my curling wand and it just makes it looks nice and slick. So as you see, I'm just combing down the hair the way I want it, and I'm going to use a little bit of my LA Pro Girl to just line the center to make it more realistic, as you can see, and just going in with my comb as usual, and I'm going with a brush to comb it out because I'm going to end up curling, putting a little bit of curls in the hair just to give it a little bit of oomph instead of just having it flat. So as you see, I'm taking off and I'm going to cut the lace with the eyebrow shaver here. So I'm going to go in and just cut it, and I don't cut my lace straight, guys. I go in a jagged style when I'm actually cutting my lace because it just looks more realistic. When you cut it straight, you don't, it doesn't look proper, I find, just cutting your lace straight across, because you want to kind of cut your lace to kind of mimic your hairline. So that is what I'm doing here. So I'm just going in with my curling wand, flattening it a little bit more, and then I'm going to section off my hair, and I'm just going to do a few quick curls in it just to give back the body wave hair a little bit of a bounce, not doing too much, just a little oomph to it. You can choose to straighten it or use a curling iron to get smaller curls, or a smaller curling one, but this is what it looks like so far, guys. So what do you think of it? And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And your girl will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.
Tell you over talk and over dress and over sleep with no one to elevate them, feel them alone for do it big.